You are just one swipe away from creating the most stunning smoky liner look with glitter. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the sponge tip applicator to do the fastest smoky liner with glitter. If you enjoy makeup, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And now without further delay, let's begin. The first step is important. It's to clean up the lid space with some concealer or primer. I'm going to be using the Milani concealer in the shade 145. Quickly blending it out before I set it with the Airspun translucent powder so the concealer doesn't move. Now this next step is the key to getting that smoky liner, is to use a black kohl liner. I'm using the Kohl eye pencil from House Labs. This is super blendable and that's why I love it. I'm going to be using it in my waterline and later in my lash line. And when you use it in your lash line, it doesn't have to be perfect because we'll be smudging it anyway. Now this next step will create that magic. Here's a sponge tip applicator that I received in one of the eyeshadow palettes long ago. And I've been using this forever. I keep washing it and reusing it. Instead of using the flat side, I'm going to turn it to the side. And this is the surprising part. All I'm going to do is swipe it just a couple times on that Kohl eye pencil that I just used in the lash line. That's all it takes to create that smoky liner. How fast is that? Now, if you want to get that inner corner liner without much effort and perfect every single time, here's the trick. I'm taking some black eyeshadow with a flat angled brush. I'm going to coat the edge with that black eyeshadow and all I'm going to do is stamp it in the inner corner. And while stamping, I keep the shorter bristles towards the eye. And all I'm going to do is just stamp it a couple times, and that is the fastest way to do the inner liner. I'm going to join that to the lash line. This comes out perfect every single time. We're done with the smoky liner. Now it's time for that magic. From the Rare Beauty Discovery eyeshadow palette, I'm using this pressed glitter right in the center of the palette. And all I'm going to do is press it in the outer and inner corners using the sponge tip applicator. And you can see how that immediately took this eye makeup to a whole new level. And I promise you, people will stop and stare at your eye makeup. Time to finish up, so I'm going to curl my lashes. This is the Sally Hansen curler. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. For a look like this, where it's so delicate and sultry, I avoid using eyelashes because it'll cover up the glitter in the outer corner. So I'm just using mascara, but if you really like to use lashes, you might as well. I promise you, it's going to look stunning either way. And here is the finished eye makeup look. How easy and how stunning is that? If you try this method, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box. I'm going to show you how to pair this with a stunning lip shade. Nice thing about keeping the eyes neutral is you can either do a nude lip or a deep red or a burgundy or even a berry lip. Today I'm going to be using the Lip Plumper by City Lips in Crimson, one of my favorites. But before that, I'm going to line my lips with a similar color lip liner, and I'm going to list all of these products in the description box below. And here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, if you did, please don't forget to thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this look, so comment below and let me know. And if you're new here again, please consider subscribing to watch several more videos like these and let me know what you'd like to watch next. Please stay tuned to learn about the golden ratio to perfect eye makeup. This eye makeup will suit any eye shape. That's coming right after this video in the end screen. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.